After years of research and development, Mafi International is proud to introduce the most effective and environmentally safe fiber protection in the market. Mafi Protection 360 featuring Fiber ProTector. Having your area rugs, carpets, or fabrics protected with Mafi Protection 360 will not only help in resisting soils and stains, but the natural polymer extracts create an invisible shield around each individual fiber, cutting down on contact wear and adding to the lifespan of your investments. Today's consumer is as concerned with protecting their investment as they are with protecting the environment. Here are just a few more of the many benefits of Mafi Protection 360. The nanotechnology makes for easy stain release and removal. It works effectively on most oil and based water stain-causing liquids. It provides excellent UV protection against sun fading. It prevents the spread of unwanted bacteria and germs. It makes your vacuuming and cleaning more effective. It even improves the effectiveness of professional deep cleaning, which will save you time and money. You made the investment. Let Mafi Protection 360 preserve it.